To litter. To throw rubbish in inappropriate places. I always try to find a garbage bin to throw my trash in. I don't like to litter. Exhaust fumes. Gases ejected from an engine as waste products. I bought an electric car to avoid producing exhaust fumes when I drive. Melting of glaciers. The process of icebergs melting. Melting of glaciers increases the sea level. Endangered species. A category of animals or plants that might become extinct. White rhinos are endangered species. There are only 5 white rhinos left in the world. Global warming. An increase in temperature all over the world as a result of greenhouse effect. Global warming is a very serious problem that our society is dealing with. To dry up. To have all the water drained away. This small river in my hometown dried up this summer due to the enormous heat. Environmentally friendly. Products that do not harm the environment. I try to use only environmentally friendly goods in order to preserve the nature. To become extinct. To stop existing. Dinosaurs became extinct many centuries ago. Natural disaster. An event like an earthquake, hurricane, etc. I experienced a natural disaster in the form of an earthquake last year. Air quality. The cleanliness of the air we breathe. Due to the opening of a new factory nearby, the air quality here went down. To get back to nature. Live a life that is closer to nature. My friend decided to leave his boring job and move to the countryside to get back to nature. Poacher. One who kills or takes wild animals illegally. Poaching is considered a violation of hunting rules and impedes wildlife conservation. Fossil fuels. Energy resources like gas and oil. Gas is one of the most well-known fossil fuels. Biodiversity. A diversity in nature among plants and animals. Nowadays, we suffer the loss of biodiversity. Paper recycling. The processes of reprocessing waste paper for reuse. It was found that paper recycling causes 35% less water pollution and 74% less air pollution than making virgin paper. Greenhouse effect. Heating of the atmosphere due to the carbon dioxide and other gases. Greenhouse effect causes global warming. To be under threat. To be in danger of becoming extinct. White rhinos are under the threat of becoming extinct. Toxic waste. Poisonous rubbish produced by industrial processes. Many factories in my city dump toxic waste into rivers and lakes.